Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2016 Harley-Davidson Tri-Glide Ultra Classic. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This trike has 8,964 miles and passes New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this trike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 630 seconds, and the rear tires at 830 seconds. We took this trike for a test ride and found that it runs and shifts well, but our technician has noted that the clutch lever still requires use in first gear and neutral while the bike is running. In addition, there's a squeal from the clutch at takeoff if the manual clutch isn't used in first gear. Our technician also noted that the brake cable adjuster is frozen, and the front fender light is a reflector and not an actual wired light. We've posted the service repair order for this trike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this trike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's corrosion on the engine case, scratch and paint chipping near the rear fender, paint chipping and cracking on the rear fender, and scratches on the front fairing. This trike has 2 keys and 1 fob. It comes equipped with cruise control, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, reverse, and navigation. It's been upgraded with a recluse automatic clutch, grips, passenger armrest, driver backrest, leather rear fender covers, a fuel door cover, an accessory mount, highway pegs, windshield pouches, a tinted windshield, and a luggage rack. This trike has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This trike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.